A very good morning, students. Today we will going to discuss about the e-marketing channels. That what are the e-marketing channels and what are the benefits of the e-marketing channels, different other things as well. So now let's talk about the internet marketing channels benefits. These are just some of the many digital marketing benefits. The first one is the content online presence, constant online presence. So you can if you want to go for the website 1 day or 2 day, it's very difficult to go to the shop physically, but you can access anytime you want to feel like if you are having the internet connection. It's very cost efficient and effective. The third one is provides the instant and the highly measurable results, and also it delivers an excellent return on the investment. It has a global reach, offers the personalization capabilities, high targetable, and can interact with the target audience in the real time. So this is what are the benefits of the e-marketing. Now, what are the channels of the e-marketing? The first one is, now let's talk about the channels of the e-marketing. The traditional way of the marketing, the brands and the products and these services make the use of the either the direct, indirect, or the direct methods of reaching out to the targeted customers. So these methods are very clear cut and very straightforward. You just need to invest the money, and then you perform the set actions and get the results. Now the business and the marketing landscapes have the drastically changed in the recent years of the however traditional methods that were the efficient or the effective before may not be effective in the current market, powered by the complexities and the vast wealth of the opportunities by the internet. That is why it is very important that your brand and the business establish and maintain a very strong online presence to the competitive enough to reach out to the targeted audience. The different channels of the e-marketing. Now, what are the different channels of the e-marketing? The first one is the uh, content marketing. Content marketing is a vital part of any business in the virtual presence. Content is shared the information your online promotions will present. So this information can be written, audio, and the visual form. Content is presented in the blog post, in the ebooks, in the different website in the platform of the website, and post on the social media, in the ppc, and the even in the very pages of the website. So it should be very engaging, it should be very creative, it is goal oriented, persuasive, and also the targeted to the specific audience. Now the next one is the social media and the viral marketing. Now you have termed the word viral very much in nowadays because of the internet only. So the social media is a great place to saturate your business. Everybody uses it in some of the other way. From the Facebook to the LinkedIn communication, it is very open and visible to the aspects of the today's society. Posting ads, social media is a great way to get the business seen. So this can be done in the variety of the ways. The social aspect of the business allows the better connection with the customers. So that's how it is very much important. Now the viral marketing, what exactly viral marketing means? Viral marketing focuses on the getting the content to go the viral. Now this means that the millions and the zillions of the people see the content and share it. So viral marketing studies the current trends to anticipate that might create the overwhelming popularity, and content going to the viral is akin to the winning the lottery, has the same of the odds as well. So that's what we have heard about social marketing and the viral marketing. Now next is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has a strong ties with the social media. Businesses using the kind of the marketing recruit the affiliate salesperson to promote the products. These salespeople or the salesperson get a commission in terms of their services they have given to the business, to that particular business. So you might have heard about the online product parties where a host invites the several people to an online event selling product. The host is affiliate the and generates the interest of the product. they serve as a go-between and handle the marketing and selling. So all the companies to do this and sit back and rake the profit. So this is what the affiliate marketing is. And the next one is pay-per-click. As we have discussed about the pay-per-click, paid advertising channels like pay-per-click advertising deliver the highly targeted traffic of the potential customers within a very short period of time. And this method is however driven by the home much you are willing to invest in the bidding the bidding and the placing the ad placement. So this is what the pay-per-click generally means. Now the next one is email marketing. We have heard about this term of very much. Nowadays you are getting the mails related to the different companies, different consultancies. So this is what, and they send you the mails and day and night. So that is generally called as an email marketing. Next one is SEO, that is search engine optimization. As we have discussed in the previous class, that what is search engine optimization means. Next is online public relations. Online public relation can be considered as a part of the content marketing, is generally by the main principle is to create the promotional content that will be used for generating the branding and creating the traffic through the exposure in the online PR networks. So this is, we have discussed about the e-marketing channels through which the marketing has been done on the internet. Thank you so much, students. I hope you like this video. If you are having any kind of query, please do let me know in the live session. Thank you so much, students. Have a great day.